Welcome back, adventurous souls, to Traveler's Toolkit Travel Hacks by Nomad. Today we're diving into the top 25 life-changing travel hacks for budget travelers in Europe. If you want to save big, explore more, and turn every journey into an epic adventure, stay tuned. Hack number 1, early bird tickets. Plan ahead and snag those tickets early. It's way cheaper, but remember, it locks in your dates. Hack number 2, get a travel pass. Especially if you're hopping across countries, it's a wallet-friendly move. Hack number 3, off-peak travel. Save money and enjoy quieter journeys. It's a win-win, folks. Hack number 4, regional over high speed. Sure, it's slower, but your bank account will thank you. Hack number 5, pack light and smart. Avoid those extra luggage fees and move around easily. Hack 6, use train time efficiently. Catch up on work or maybe just relax and enjoy the views. Hack 7, smart seat selection. A little planning can get you the best spot for comfort or scenery. Hack number 8, night trains. Save a night's accommodation cost and wake up at a new destination. Hack number 9, local discounts. Keep an eye out for these to enjoy the local scene without splurging. Hack 10, don't forget travel insurance. It's an extra cost, but it buys peace of mind. Hack 11, loyalty programs. They're a slow burn, but those rewards add up for frequent travelers. Hack 12, portable Wi-Fi. Stay connected on the go without those hefty roaming charges. Hack 13, bring your snacks. It's a simple way to cut costs on food. Hack 14, hostel living. Affordable, social, and you might just make some lifelong friends. Hack 15, couch surfing. It's free, it's fun, and it's a fantastic way to meet locals. Hack 16, join walking tours. It's cheap, healthy, and you get the real feel of a place. Hack 17, public transit over taxis. Your wallet will thank you. Hack number 18, make technology your friend. Travel apps can be lifesavers. Hack 19, skip the tourist traps. Save cash, discover hidden gems. Hack number 20, volunteer for accommodation. Work a bit, stay for free. It's that simple. Hack 21, cultural free days. Perfect for museum lovers on a budget. Hack 22, meal planning. Save money, eat healthily. Hack 23, youth discounts. If you're eligible, don't miss out on these. Hack 24, stay outside major cities. Cheaper and often more charming. Hack number 25, join travel forums. Real advice from experienced travelers. There you have it, folks. 25 top hacks to make your European train adventure unforgettable and easy on the wallet. Remember, traveling smart is all about planning, flexibility, and embracing new experiences. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and yes, keep traveling. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel hacks and adventures. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.